The absolute inequity under the influence of the Internet. In modern society, both poor and wealthy countries face new challenges brought by the Internet. The rapid development of the Internet provides great convenience to people but also poses numerous problems. This sudden impact leaves countries unprepared as relevant laws and regulations often struggle to keep pace with the speed of Internet development. The current reality of the Internet presents a stark challenge. Most people are vulnerable to being scammed, while the scammers themselves are a small minority. This asymmetric situation raises questions about how we can discuss fairness with these few who deceive, and whether this notion is even practical. The rapid development of the Internet has brought widespread and profound impact to countries around the world, including both poor and wealthy nations. The lag in legal frameworks means that people find it difficult to adapt to the challenges posed by the Internet, leading to a sense of helplessness. The borderless nature of the Internet allows criminals more opportunities, while the victims are often the general public. On the Internet, the number of people who are scammed far outnumbers the scammers themselves. This imbalance makes it hard for the majority to confront the few who deceive them, as their predicament far exceeds their capacity to cope. In the face of this situation, we need to take more preventative measures to protect ourselves from harm. To reduce the risk of being scammed, we must first recognize that greed is the main vulnerability that scammers exploit. We must remain vigilant in the face of temptation, raising our guard to avoid falling into traps. Additionally, we need to enhance education and public awareness of Internet risks so people can better protect themselves. However, to truly solve this issue, we need governments worldwide to take action, expedite the creation and refinement of laws and policies concerning the Internet to address its ever-changing landscape. Only through legal protection and self-awareness can we find balance in this digital age and avoid falling into absolute inequity. In this digital age, the rapid development of the Internet presents unprecedented opportunities and challenges. Countries around the world, regardless of wealth, are grappling with various problems brought about by the Internet. These problems aren't just economic and political but also social and ethical. Most people often struggle to discern the authenticity of online information, while scammers skillfully manipulate this vulnerability to create false information and deceive others. Worse still, the anonymity of the Internet allows criminals to easily escape legal consequences, exacerbating inequity. In this environment, we must emphasize the importance of education, raising awareness of Internet risks. People need to know how to identify and deal with false information, as well as how to protect their personal privacy and data security. At the same time, governments must strengthen oversight, enact stricter laws and policies to combat Internet crime. Only then can we protect citizens' rights and ensure the safety and stability of the Internet. Nevertheless, these measures are just the beginning. To better address the challenges posed by the Internet, we need collective efforts from governments, businesses, educational institutions, and ordinary citizens. Through cooperation, we can establish a fairer and safer Internet environment. Throughout this process, we need to maintain an open mind, embrace change, and continuously learn and adapt to new technologies and trends. By doing so, we can remain competitive in this rapidly changing digital age and achieve sustainable personal and societal development. In summary, the rapid development of the Internet brings us many opportunities but also many challenges. We must be cautious about potential risks while enjoying the convenience the Internet provides. By enhancing our understanding and strengthening legal oversight, we can stay safe in the world of the Internet. In this era of opportunities and challenges, how do we balance the convenience and risks brought by the Internet? How can we find a sustainable path for development in this digital world? These are questions each of us must consider and act upon.